Okay, LED versus incandescent bulbs for holiday lighting. That's a good question. What do you use? Hey, let's give your property a little TLC. Now that Christmas is almost here, holiday lights are everywhere. But did you know that there are ways to ensure that displays don't use more energy than necessary? Can switching to LEDs be justified by energy savings on the electric bill alone? Compared to incandescent bulbs, which only have a lifespan of approximately 3,000 hours. LED lights use 80 to 90% less energy and can last up to 100,000 hours. When these two factors are combined with the robust design of LEDs, the savings go beyond the energy savings. LED lights drastically reduce the need for yearly purchases, increasing the savings even more. The cost of Christmas lights is primarily influenced by two things. First, it involves buying and assembling the display. Everything gets made up, followed by paying to run it for several hours each day. Given that they can save you up to 90% more energy than incandescent bulbs, LED lights are thought to be more environmentally friendly and energy efficient options. LED Christmas lights are recommended for anyone looking to use less energy this holiday season. In addition to saving money on your utility bill, doing this will benefit the environment. Here are some quick notes on the comparisons between LED and incandescent light lamps. When compared to LED lights, incandescent bulbs are hot to the touch. Why? 90% of the energy that incandescent lights use is generated as heat rather than light. While some LED bulbs have a 100,000 hour lifespan, incandescent bulbs lose their brightness after about 2,000 hours. For multiple strands of incandescent bulbs, you need multiple outlets, when a single outlet can accommodate several LED strings. Your energy bill does not have to keep rising just because you're putting up holiday decorations. You can save money this season and for years to come by selecting the appropriate lighting options and being mindful of how frequently you use them. At TLC, we can help if you want to have the brightest home in your neighborhood. To accommodate your holiday lights, we can add specialized circuits and outlets that are secure for your outdoor lighting needs. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and share. If you are enjoying these tips and tricks from TLC, hit the like and subscribe button to receive these weekly.